In accordance with the wishes of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and the Tibetan community, the capital area Tibetans established the Weekend Tibetan School nearly 3 decades ago. Our mission is to preserve Tibetan religion, culture, and language, while fostering a sense of belonging and unity among Tibetan children growing up in the capital area. Today, our school serves close to 60 students, ranging from elementary to high school. Our dedicated volunteer team includes 9 Tibetan teachers, 4 dance instructors, and a PTA consisting of 5 board members. Every Sunday from 3 o'clock to 6 p.m., we gather at the Vienna Community Center to offer Tibetan language classes. C-Learning, which abbreviates to social, emotional, and ethical learning, as well as meditation sessions. Our goal is to create a nurturing environment where students can connect with their Tibetan heritage and identity.
Ring anzo pui lobje jilu losa ki kanzum de phebe kondru number re phaman number thang lomcho changma nye gigen changme chop shuje destile ki chamji shugni ta thalo ni do ni shupsi lode chasha bi na ane anzo changme kale gebje pui lobjong ki thola yage chimbuji ki chin yu ba ngji shugu ta anzo phebe de yimbi na so su ge yube thola ni rikshung ting sabuji ki yube 미리 지기 체그요리 시자다 이내래 ngaranzo yang chepsi thang khuyu ki da nedang ge thone kange 체그요리 당간단즈 벼기 게이디 임비나 라소 능신 지기 차대 요리라 간주 릭숑기 짜와디 내래 아니 벼게 뷰이디 체그요리 다 계시 양 뷰이 벼게 디 매버차비 임비나 ngaranzo 벼 미리디 규링구 지기 네터기 토라 강에 당님 그 침부지기 차야리 다 단단한조 체배 강에 내 슈비는 지내 ngaranzo 다 벼베 부부초 아니 벼게 셰세 쿠유 아니 야부지기 요마리라 니네 임비네 야 님제这个错那落了皮皮就给苦个得来牛牛几个差的요리 이내래 강에 되게 세야기 라완디 나란조 유두 드리니苦个디 규제 아니 파마탕 로무서 창마 쇼야데 당한조 창매 배준 슈비는 제부지기 퇴야제라 아니 민튼 송배 나란조다 뷰주지기 소용 제약이 토라 아니 마옹베다 니동 니슈 쟁을 로디나 로라 간주 창만 님도라 베즈나로 나슈이 토지치
Hello everybody, my name is Norzan and I'm the president of the Bodyig Lapta Student Council. I'm extremely proud of what we as a Tibetan school have done so far, and I can't wait to be a part of even more exciting and meaningful events. To me, being a part of the student council means getting more involved in our community, helping students learn our unique language, learning new things, and having fun. I hope everyone has a wonderful time while we look back at some of the wonderful experiences our Bodyig Lapta has shared this year.
In light of the alarming closure of Tibetan language schools all across Tibet, we feel a heightened sense of urgency to persevere and perspire to promote Tibetan language and culture, especially among the young Tibetan youth born in the United States. These children face unique challenges in connecting with their roots, making our mission ever more critical than ever. Our commitment to this cause is unwavering, and we rely on your support to help sustain our efforts through our annual fundraising meeting. Our community is a close-knit group, united by our shared language, heritage, and causes.
Le Monde Commun, 지금 우리가 주주했던 1963, 64라 New York, Boston.
Last year, we participated in a DC tour with RFA alongside other organizations, including ICT and the Office of Tibet. This experience provided our students with valuable insights into potential career paths, highlighting the practical applications of the Tibetan language. We also represented our culture during Asian American, Native Hawaiian, and Pacific Islander Heritage Month at George Mason University in May, where we showcased colorful cultural performances.
The sacrifices they've made is something I can never repay. I have only seen that strength replicated by the Tibetan people. We are not clueless. The only thing that I hope you remember this is that we will never stop fighting.
On March 10th, our student council represented us at the March 10th rally in DC, at the Chinese embassy, and in front of the White House.
Thank you so much.
We participated in an event organized by the ICT where we expressed our gratitude to Nancy Pelosi, Richard Gere, and Sikyong Pempal Seringla for their unwavering support.